Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about this visual editing platform, which is Picsart and Blaze AI. So let's start with the breakdown and the in-depth comparison about the two platforms. So to get started, in 2025, Picsart is still one of the most versatile and creative photo plus video editing app available. It's packed with AI tools like background removal, image generation, object erasing, and trending filters. Great for making eye-catching content for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and more. You can fully customize your visual using a stickers, text, template, and animation features. It's perfect for creators who want full control over their content and enjoying designing things from scratch. And talking about Bliss AI, on the other hand, is focused AI-powered content automation for social media. It's turns text prompt, blog posts, or marketing ideas into ready-to-post carousel, captions, and branded graphics in seconds. Bliss shines in speed and consistency, especially for businesses or solo creators who want to stay alive online without spending hours designing, while you get less hands-on control than Picsart. Bliss AI makes up for it with a smart automation and clean design output. And here's the overall conclusion. So choose Picsart if you want rich creative control, editing freedom, and artistic flexibility, but pick Bliss AI if you want to automate and scale your content quickly with a minimal manual effort. For full creative design, Picsart win, and for fast branded content at scale, Bliss AI is the smarter tools for that. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this quick in-depth comparison. And if you find the comparison helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.